Hey there! Are you looking to revolutionize the way you approach SEO? Look no further than ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI technology that's changing the game. ChatGPT is the perfect tool for taking your SEO to the next level. With its advanced language processing capabilities, it can help you generate high-quality content that's optimized for search engines and user engagement. But, how do you get started with ChatGPT for SEO? In this video, we'll show you how to master the AI for SEO success. Before we go to planning our keywords, we need to add a super amazing extension. Here is the chat we know. Go to Chrome extension. Search for this tool. And here we go. These are mind-blowing tools. You can check them as you want. First, let's take a look at how to use ChatGPT to generate keyword-rich content. By inputting a specific keyword or phrase, ChatGPT can generate content that's optimized for search engines, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search results. We should have an idea of what we are searching for first. Go to Google Planner to look. I will search for artificial intelligence. Then go to Chat. And see the magic. But ChatGPT isn't just limited to generating content. It can also help you optimize existing content by suggesting keywords and phrases to include, as well as helping you to identify areas where your content could be improved. Now that you've seen how to use ChatGPT for SEO, it's time to master it. By fully utilizing the capabilities of this advanced AI technology, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve SEO success like never before. So what are you waiting for? Master ChatGPT for SEO today and take your online presence to the next level. So there you have it, folks, the power of chat in SEO. It's a game changer in the industry, and we highly recommend giving it a try. Let us know in the comments how chat has helped improve your SEO strategy. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.